Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 Fuel Installation Drill Driver. Equipped with 4 dedicated solutions, an inline grip, and magnetic bit holder. The Installation Drill Driver is purposely designed to access challenging locations, increasing productivity. Each solution attaches in 16 different positions, and 3 can be added to the right angle attachment for added versatility and increase access to tight and hard to reach places.
Having the drill driver's attachments makes things faster, makes things easy.
It's really nice having those different solutions for the drill because I can swap out the heads very easily and quickly and only have to bring one tool onto the job.
I've accomplished pretty much any installation scenario that's been thrown my way.
It's so versatile, and you don't even know how many ways you can use it when you first look at it. As you use it more and more, you find more places where it's like, wow, it makes this a lot easier.
A huge benefit is clearance, getting in tight spaces with dash work, confined areas. It really gets a better angle on whatever you're getting at.
The drill body is nice and slim, which keeps profile smaller.
With the head being able to change different directions, you know, it makes the access to the tool that much easier to use.
Any angle, any position you need to be in, the drill can do it.
I was actually pretty amazed at how much power comes out of such a small drill. The 300 inch-pounds is plenty enough to get whatever I need to get done.
I've been more efficient, more productive because it saved me more than a few trips to the truck to get a different, stronger drill because it has the torque that I need.
Instead of buying multiple tools, you have the multiple heads to just change out. So instead of purchasing 4 tools, you're purchasing 1 and it can do it all.
DeWalt is changing the way work gets done with innovation for plumbing and mechanical trades, like the fastest PEX expander on the market that's made in the USA with global materials.
It makes my job a lot easier. You're not waiting on any kind of glue to dry. You're not waiting on water to drain. You're not soldering any fittings. I know it's built well, built to the standards that I need it for in my everyday work and in my trade.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing.
This is innovation, designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100 plus products in our 20 volt max system by DeWalt.
Thanks for checking out the PS60BN. This is the tool itself. It's the PS60 12 volt max pocket recip saw. Now this tool comes with the PS60 as well as an L-BOXX inlay and 2 blades, a wood cutting blade and a metal cutting blade. Now this BN means it's a tool only execution, so you can pick out whichever batteries and whichever charges you want separately and design your own kit. Take the whole thing with another tool, place an L-BOXX inlay, sold separately, and you have a chance to build whatever kit you want. Now, the PS60 itself has 3,000 strokes per minute. It's a mini recip saw. We call it the pocket recip because it fits right in your hand, nice and small. You have a good leverage point for control on the top of it if necessary. Quick change on the blade, as well as a battery indicator so you always know the status of the battery life. The tool itself stores right into your L-BOXX inlay, which fits right into an L-BOXX 1. And pick up your L-BOXX that's sold separately with the bare tool execution, but close the lid, click, and go.
Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel, half-inch extended Anvil controlled torque impact wrench with 1 key. This impact provides tire technicians with controlled torque output for lug nut fastening, up to 1,100 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque for lug nut removal, and faster tire service by eliminating the need for torque sticks and pneumatic hoses. With 1 key technology, the tool's preset fastening modes allow tire service professionals to select desired torque output for the application at hand to prevent over-tightening. 4 customizable fastening modes, controlled by a single button on the tool, get you close to your target torque quickly before verifying with a calibrated torque wrench. Mode 1 is used for cars, delivering a target torque range of 40 to 75 foot-pounds. Mode 2 for trucks and SUVs, targeting a range of 75 to 150 foot-pounds. Mode 3 for heavy-duty equipment such as box trucks and trailers, delivering up to 450 foot-pounds of torque. Mode 4 provides full power and forward with up to 750 foot-pounds of torque. All preset modes deliver full power reverse for lug nut removal, with up to 1,100 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque.
You don't have to use torque sticks. You can just push the appropriate setting on the gun, and then you're just good to go.
It has as much torque as any of the air impacts that we've used. It removes some of the nastiest looking nuts that we've come across.
The power on the Anvil is basically really surprised me. Sure enough, it took it right off with ease.
We actually timed it a little bit, and from start to finish, bringing the car in, putting it up in the air, stripping the wheels off, that it actually seemed to take about 5 to 10 minutes less per vehicle.
More productive is just getting the jobs done quicker. I don't have to haul a hose everywhere I have to go.
I can grab the tool, grab the sockets I need, do the job, get it done.
So I'm a big fan now of Milwaukee.
Direct from the brand name you know and trust. The all-in-one cutting-edge performance of the Sonicrafter from WORX. Imagine cutting, sanding, grinding, shearing, scraping, rasping, cleaning and polishing, all without ever switching tools. With the Sonicrafter's brilliant microsonic blade technology, you get 20,000 high-frequency oscillations per minute, allowing the Sonicrafter to be more precise than ordinary tools, while also making it one of the safest tools you'll ever own. And when it comes to long life, durability and design, no tool is more solution-oriented. Here it is, a professional contractor-grade power tool that's available to anyone who wants to save time and money. Tackle hundreds of projects using dozens of attachments and accessories, all with just one amazing power tool. The Sonicrafter from WORX, the recognized brand you can trust for quality tools that are built to last. Stay tuned and find out how you can put the Sonicrafter and all these accessories into your toolbox and receive some special bonus items in this exclusive TV offer direct from WORX. And now, here's Carl Champley, your host for the Sonicrafter by WORX.
G'day, I'm Carl Champley. As a master builder, I know a thing or two about tools and I've pretty much tried them all. But this is the amazing Sonicrafter multi-purpose power tool from WORX. When you put it in your hands, you'll quickly understand why it will become the most important piece of equipment in your toolbox. I know it has in mine. Now check this out. Look at where this nail is. It's very difficult to get to. Not for the Sonicrafter. I just put it in and shear it off. Now I've just sheared through a steel nail, and I'll also use this same blade to plunge cut right through this drywall. Look how I can accurately cut just deep enough to get through the drywall, and no farther.
Welcome to Rockwell on Amazon.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The VersaCut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The VersaCut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work. making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice smooth cut.
VersaCut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
Milwaukee introduces the M12 Fuel Digital Torque Wrench with one key, the industry's first digital torque wrench with a motor. Replacing the repetitive motion of hand tools or two-tool installation process.
With the Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench, you're looking at least half the time. You just put it on there, push the button, tension it by hand, and you're set.
I think it's going to cut the time in half, torquing bolts in gear.
How it's designed and how it's set up makes it very easy to use. You set your values underneath your torque settings. With the Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench, I'm 100% confident that we're torquing it to what it needs to be per spec.
You get to run your torque up a little closer instead of having to hand crank everything, and then you get to digitally watch the final torque value. You get an accurate measurement every time you torque.
Being able to read what your poundage is at, that's huge for when you don't want to over tighten anything.
It's just a lot more confidence, being able to see that number, knowing exactly where you're at.
How it's designed and how it's set up makes it very easy to use with the audible and the visual indicators on it.
The one key feature on the new digital torque wrench is nice because you can record the values to prove that you've done that torque. You can label which breaker you've done, which piece of equipment you've done. You're able to store and keep all of that data.
When it beeps and turns green, all you do is hit that record button and your data is saved.
Using the run-up value, getting you closer to your torque value faster.
The Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench is nice and versatile.
It's lightweight, it still has the length that you're looking for to get your torque on it.
We can use it anywhere.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion impact driver, model WH18DGL. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers fade-free power, is lightweight, and has 3 times the total battery life of a traditional battery. It produces up to 1,280 inch-pounds of torque and is designed to drive screws and bolts even in tight spaces. For fast and easy bit changes, this impact driver is equipped with a 1/4-inch quick change. This tool will operate up to 2,400 RPM and up to 3,200 beats per minute for optimal driving and fastening capabilities. A responsive, variable speed trigger provides complete control during operation. For convenience, a bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. On-tool bit storage keeps a bit close at hand if and when you need it. It features a soft, ergonomically designed handle due to the slide battery design that offers optimal grip circumference for more comfortable use. Lightweight at just 3.1 pounds and well balanced, this cordless impact driver from Hitachi is easy to use and won't disappoint. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year lithium-ion charger warranty. Additionally, you get two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and carrying case for storage.